Hi everyone, welcome to Military One, Chanel, which always presents interesting videos about fighter jets and airplanes. On August 27th, USAF F-22s were seen at the Slovak International Air Festival, SIAF. The U.S. Air Force, USAF, delivered two F-22 Raptors of the 90th Fighter Squadron of the 3rd Wing for dynamic and static presentations. The two jets arrived at noon, and after several overflights over the runway, viewers at the air show were able to witness the aircraft's flight capabilities. The two planes then landed for a static exhibition. In mid-August, the F-22 fighter jet also displayed impressive maneuverability at the air show in Hawaii. The F-22 Raptor demo team, a fighter whose pilot managed to make the most of this extraordinary aircraft, was the highlight of the air show. The aircraft is known for its ability to perform an astonishing maneuver known as the power loop, which is achievable due to its controllable thrust vectoring nozzles. The F-22 Raptor demo team also released a video of the event. This maneuver involves turning towards the end of an incline where the F-22 slows down as it climbs while almost hanging in the air. With the controllable nozzles, the fighter can make quick turns once it is on the ground, something that other aircraft of the same level cannot do. In the Hawaiian show, that move is combined with a strong trail of condensation that covers most of the fighters. It is worth noting that the U.S. Air Force team successfully tested third-party software with existing F-22 hardware, marking a new era in the development of the United States Department of Defense software capabilities.